Hey, Grace. What you doing? You want some? Hmm? Mommy got that sketchy thing out, didn't I? Come here, step up, baby girl. Come here. Where are you going? Where are you going? You know what I'm up to, don't you? Come here, Grace. Oh, you are so mouthy. I love you, Grace. Come here. I wanted to see something. Let's see this. Hold on. Let's see. Hold on. It's okay. See, it's okay. Oh, it's okay. See, it don't hurt. Yeah. Oh, that feels so good, don't it, Grace? Wait a minute, we weren't done. Grace, what are you doing? Well, did you just poop? Grace, that's not part of this. You pooped, Grace. Oh. Okay. Well, that was bad, but we're not going to do that again. From now on, we poo-poo in our cage. We don't poo-poo on the floor. Okay? Deal? Miss Grace? Come here. Step up. Come down here. I see you. Yeah, step up. Come on. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Come here. Are you afraid of the thing? Look. Here. Look. You want to see it? See it. It's okay. See it? See it? It's not doing anything. See it? It's okay, Grace. It's okay. We got the one nail pretty good. I need to get the other one. Yeah, those are the killer ones. The one that just leave blood on me whenever they dig in. I mean, I know you're just holding on, but it hurts, dang it. I need to get this one. I know that didn't hurt you. Feel it. Feel it. See? 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 It's okay. See? Want to do it again? Whoa. Whoa. You already checked it out. Give me a kiss. You gonna give me a kiss? That was a good kiss, Grace. I love you. I love you. These good kisses, Grace. Oh, hi, Grace. Hello. Good girl. Hi, Grace. Yes, hi, Grace.